Guys, one step, like just one step is what you need to hit your first 1,000 subscribers and also work towards achieving your 4,000 watch hours. And when I mean that this step is actually easy, guys, it is actually very easy. Okay, so to do this, all you have to do is to head over to your YouTube app. Okay, so here is my YouTube app. Let me just refresh it. Okay, so as it's refreshing, what you have to do is to tap on your own icon just to select a video. So here is my own channel. Okay, so I'm going to click on like the recent video I just made. That was 2 days ago. That's what I'm using for the purpose of this video. But you can use any of the videos, like a video you know that you want to use for this purpose. Just pick any video of your choice. So I'm going to tap on this video.
Did you know that millions?
Let me pause it so that you can at least hear what I'm saying. All right, so you have to scroll here and see this option here, remix. Okay, you're going to tap on remix. Then some options are going to come up. We have edit into a short, sound, collab, green screen, and cut. So we're going to choose the first option here, which is edit into a short. Okay, so the option is going to the page is going to
Did you know that millions of people are making?
Let me reduce the volume so that you get the. Okay, so you see this number of seconds here up here. I'm trying to highlight it. You can either leave it for 15 seconds or you change it to 60 seconds. Okay, then you can resize this, like position it to a way that the full frame of your face and your video is going to position well. Then you can see the timing here is still 15 seconds, so you can actually extend the seconds. Okay, let it be 16 seconds. Then you can start from the beginning, the middle part of the video. Just try to get the parts of the video that is most interesting, like what people would love to hear, the most interesting part of that video. That is what you're going to be using to create the short. Okay, and the next thing for you to do now is to click on done. Okay, so we are done with that now. Let me move over to the next. So this is processing and it's going to take some time to process, just like when you're uploading your normal short video, it's going to take some time to process. So let it finish processing, then I'll come back. Okay, so our video is done processing. So the next thing for us to do is to click next. Okay, so we click next to add our details. We're going to add our caption. We're going to like arrange the profile, like, so we're going to add our caption, add some details like the visibility. I love to schedule my either shorts or long form videos. Those are the best ways to publish your videos here on YouTube, because it allows the YouTube algorithm time to actually assess your videos, know the content of your videos, the right audience for that video before it comes live. So I'm going to publish it then. That's 6 p.m. All right, so we're gonna come back and give our video a title, and that is how to make money on Facebook. Okay, that's the title of the video. Then I'm going to put some viral hashtags, which is very important, which is Facebook, hashtag Facebook, hashtag short, just few hashtags, not much. Okay, hashtag short and hashtag Facebook earnings. So you're going to use your hashtag depending on the kind of video you are actually publishing. All right, so the next thing we've scheduled the video. The location is not really compulsory, but you can leave it like that. Okay, then you're going to set your audience to know it's not made for kids. Okay, then related video, make sure you do this. Related video, you're going to go and choose that video that you want to make the from, like you want to redirect your audience to come and watch this video. Like that is how you are going to be getting your watch hours, because by the time they see that intro, like your short is like an intro, so by the time they see that intro and it's interesting, they would like to watch the full video. Okay, so you're going to attach this. This is the link that is going to be attached to your short, so that it will redirect your audience to come and watch your full video. So you're going to be getting two benefits from using this method. You're going to be getting your 1000 subscribers easily, and you're going to be getting watch hours as well. Okay, so after that, altered content, no, depending on the content you're doing. If it's an altered content, feel free to say yes. But if it's not an AI content and all that, if it's your own real original content, then you say no. Then what next? So you can tap on the pencil icon there to actually add text. Okay, if you want to add text, like what text, like make money on Facebook today. Okay, and feel free to add any emoji of your choice. Okay, all right, so you can just position this like this, and or down here, anyone that looks good to you, but I like keeping it like this. So you just hit on save, and this is how it's going to look out like. Then you click on upload. So your video is actually going to upload. So this is the method that most creators are using, especially big YouTubers, to get their 4,000 watch hours quickly. And also, look at the video now, it's actually uploading, the short is uploading. Okay, so this is the method you can use to easily get your first 1000 subscribers fast, and also get as many watch hours as you want. So thank you so much for watching this video till the end. If you want to get in touch with me to ask your questions or anything, check in my description. You're going to see a link to my Telegram group, and you can chat me on that Telegram group. So thank you so much for watching this video to the end, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you, and bye for now.